Hi,
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. How's it going, yeah?
Going good. You do realize you're horizontally on my screen.
Oh wait, इसको कुछ करते हैं. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. This
How
time,
are you? How's the lockdown?
it's funny, but we're all sort of, figuring out new ways and doing new things. Um, I usually don't come live that often as well. मैं आता ही नहीं.
Yeah.
Um, and now, I'm taking out all my old apparatus, like a phone set करने के लिए. I've got this like little clip thing, which which is working pretty well. I like this clip thing. You know.
Yeah. I think you were I think I'm seeing Faisal Kapadia's live and you had signed in and you were just like, sending in love and it's so nice that everybody's connecting even during the lockdown. I mean,
हाँ, yeah, it really is. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. Sorry, I was just saying hello to everybody there. कैसे हैं सब लोग? सब ठीक है? Hi everyone. You're absolutely right. I think this is the best time for, you know how it is. We're all in the business. ऐसा ही है कि चाहे आप किसी business में भी हो, no matter what business you're in these days, it's all so quick and it's also
yeah.
fast paced that I think none of us get to properly ever hang out, or like आपसे भी I've met you briefly for like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
So it's kind of
Yeah.
nice. I was really happy to have this chat with you.
Thank you, Ali. So, tell me, I asked this to all my guests, and I'm asking you. By the way, you're my final guest. I'm wrapping up this thing today. I've been doing it for 2 weeks, so you're guest number 15, and
Wow.
yes, and we're wrapping it up. So, Ali, मुझे बताएं, what are you doing during the lockdown? How is it in Canada? How are you spending time with your family? Spending time indoors?
Well, usually I'm actually quite a homebody. I enjoy because usually we travel a lot for work and stuff. And I live in Toronto, so my Pakistan bhi half the time I'm in Karachi or Lahore, and then the other half I'm either like in shooting wherever, whether it's Thailand or Sri Lanka or
Yeah.
like last year I realized कि I was in Japan, I was in Thailand, I was in England, I was in Pakistan, I was in Sri Lanka, and I enjoy that. I love that. I enjoy being home as well with the family. So I think it's this. I think we should all take this time to sort of reflect, relax. क्योंकि दुनिया की जो rat race है वो जरा रुक गई. Hi everyone. Hi. Thank you. I think दुनिया की जो rat race has come to a bit of a halt. I think सब थोड़े slow down हो गए हैं और वो बड़ी अच्छी बात. I think it's kind of nice. I think the world needed a little. I mean, it's kind of sad. I wish the circumstances were not like this. लेकिन I think
Yeah.
it's good for all of us as humans to see कि यार ये थोड़ा सा time I think सबको चाहिए था to kind of calm down, take a step back. Even the world is going to heal a little bit, I feel. I mean, I know it's a terrible thing to say, but even the world is going to heal at this time. If you notice, the ozone is kind of healing a little bit. Uh,
Yeah.
the waters are getting cleaner. I think अगर ये कुछ साल पहले हम सोच लेते, so I think you're absolutely right, Annie. I think the Earth really needed a break from us crazy humans for a while. So I mean, I wish the circumstances were not such, but what we're doing at home is, I think the biggest thing is trying to keep your routine strong.
Yeah.
To me, routine for a long, long time, for I think a decade plus, is I wake up in the morning. I'm an early riser. I learned this from my, parents and grandparents and stuff. And they always said it. In my 20s, I didn't care. I was like the late thief. Didn't care. Waking up early. काम पे भी देर से जाते थे सब होता था लेकिन I think in my 30s I realized कि यार ऐसे तो नहीं चलेगा and I moved to Canada in my late 20s तो यहाँ पे तो you got it fixed up anyway and I went to film school here whatever तो schedule has been कि सुबह को उठ के got to work out and then workout के बाद now that I have kids I spend time with the bachas with the activities and things like that
It must be
then
so odd for your kids because of your work, you're almost always on the run, and now they have you in their house 24/7.
I love you, man. Yeah, you know what? Actually, the kids, मेरे बच्चे जो है ना, उनको आदत है मेरी because I'm a pretty hands-on dad, and when I'm not working, it's like I spend this. Look, it's the one good thing about being an artist is that you get big chunks of time with your family. So it's like, for example, ek mahine, 2 mahine, I'll be off, or I'll be auditioning here,
Yeah.
Hollywood and for Canada and things like that. But I'll make sure that I have like at least a month or 2 months. So at that time, I am their mom, their dad, everything. And my wife works. So I'll be fully with the kids. So they're used to me. They're used to me actually. So unke saath, I think it's a good time to plan interesting activities with your kids. You know?
Yeah, definitely. And also, Ali, Abhi, you just mentioned that you went to film school. So, also because of your family background, tell me, how did you decide to go for acting, directing, producing? Tell me, when did it all start?
That's it's a good question. It goes back a long, long way. Sadly, before you were born, probably most.
Damn, no, don't say that.
ये सच है, वर्ष की सच है.
It's good, you know. I want to hear things like this so that I feel younger
Hayat
about
Javed,
myself.
no, this is true. This is actually true. It's actually before most of the fans here. Hayat Javed, what's up, man? I love you guys. Hayat, आप बताएं ना लोगों को where it started from. ये मेरे पुराने बचपन के दोस्त हैं सारे. So it started when I was 2, actually. It started when I was 2 years old.
Wow.
And at that time, my parents are both actors and directors. So I guess they kind of that red Pinto is. I used to have this Ford Pinto, was my uncle's car, which I used to bring to school back in the day.
Oh.
Anyway, so it started when I was a kid, and at that time, I guess if the parents didn't find any bachas to put in anything, so I was that kid. There's a video called Watan Ki Mitti, is a song by Naira Noor, which my mom directed. जो अभी भी 14th August पे चलता है, एंड उसमें मैं डाइपर्स में कुर्ता पहन के अपने अब्बा के कंधों पे पाकिस्तान का झंडा लहरा रहा हूँ. So that's kind of like one of the first few things I did. And I was really comfortable in front of the camera. Like I was used to film crews coming in filming, and you know, Dhoop Kinare, half of it was shot in my house.
Yeah.
So I was really used to that, and I'm in Dhoop Kinare. That's my first sort of proper professional thing. I play my father's flashback in this orphanage scene.
So Ali, if your parents hadn't chosen this line of work, would you have gone through with this? Would you have still chosen acting and directing and
Yes,
producing?
so that's where it comes. That's where I was going with it. Is that so? Since that time, after 7, 8 years old, I kind of really had a feel for it. And even then, जब लोग पूछते थे कि आपने क्या करना है, you know, बच्चा बेटा क्या करोगे बड़े होके, I was always like actor बनूंगा. तो कहता अच्छा नहीं बनना. वैसे अगर आजकल के ज़माने में डॉक्टर बन जाता वो भी अच्छा होता.
But I'm just imagining, obviously, because you have such supportive parents and they come from a similar background, but it's such a non-brown thing to say कि मैं बड़े होके actor बनूंगा.
It is. And to be honest, even my parents, seriously, even my parents were also like, "Are you sure?" Because it's not easy, right? It's not. They knew what the pitfalls, they knew the troubles that are with this job. So they're like, "Are you sure, beta?" Paki baat hai. So my secret is that I'm also a secret nerd. I love science, and you know, I love biochemistry and things like that. So that was my major back in the day. I was a science major. I still enjoy science, and I still enjoy reading about it and watch documentaries with my kids and shit. Lekin मैं तब से ही this is what I wanted to do. To be honest, I always wanted to be an actor, and I was an actor in my teen years. I was since PTV days. You know, I was doing like drama and telefilms, and I think by 25 is when I moved to Canada, because तब कोई फिल्में नहीं थी पाकिस्तान में, and I always wanted to do films. I wanted to do film school. There were no film schools. This is 2008.
Okay.
And so कोई film school नहीं थे, कोई कुछ नहीं था, तो मैंने कहा चलो, you know, I should make a move, and I had fallen in love with my girlfriend, who is now my wife.
Oh yes, everybody knows about your love story.
So yeah, so basically it worked out well. I was like, you know, let's have an adventure. When she was like, अच्छा तू यहाँ पाकिस्तान में रहे कि शादी के बाद you want to move. She was in Canada. She was studying here in McGill in Montreal. So मैंने कहा, you know what, let's have an adventure, and I think it's time. So I came here, and first thing I did, I enrolled in film school. I went to drama school, and I was like, let's start from scratch. उससे पहले I was already a kind of a known I guess, person in
Yeah.
Pakistan. Everybody's like, "Tum pagal ho yaar." I remember all my contemporaries and everybody saying, "Yeah, why are you leaving? Are you nuts?" लेकिन I think कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है. I think gotta.
Ali, also, I'm just imagining, like, when you join film school, so I'm sure film school is not cheap. So, do you think people who don't have that educational background in acting, do they lose an edge to people who do? Like, you have a background in acting. Do you think that's helped you?
See, I think it works both ways. Yes, I mean my experience counted for something that I was really comfortable. Even when I joined film school, like I knew what I wanted to do. I knew many class में से भी आधे people dropped out because they were like,
Oh.
अच्छा me or not, you know, because it's not easy road, especially in the West. तो बिल्कुल easy road नहीं है यार. यहाँ पे तो, you know, when I got my first big role here, I remember I stood outside the studio and लाइनें लगी हुई हैं of like beautiful people,
Wow.
like trained in like, you know, triple threat, like singers, dancers, actors that have gone to film school and done the whole thing, and they're waiting tables. And even, by the way, when I moved here, you have to put your ego in check. You have to put everything.
I'm sure.
I came here and started from zero, man. I waited.
Wow.
I waited tables. I worked in Hollister as like a sales associate. मैंने स्टूडियो में पोछे, उसी स्टूडियो में जहाँ मैं अब काम करता हूँ, मैंने वहाँ पोछे मारे हैं, लोगों को कॉफियाँ लाके दी हैं, और बिल्कुल जीरो से एज एन इंटर्न काम किया है. You know, like the works.
And I think फिर आपको कराची की life, do you understand how privileged you are because you have maids, you have nannies, you have everybody drivers.
यहाँ पे तो बिल्कुल, मतलब जो लोग कह रहे थे वहाँ पे कि मिस मेड्स एंड स्टफ, मैंने कहा यार मतलब I am the maid. यहाँ पे तो ये एक अच्छी बात है. And I think ये अपने बच्चों को भी ट्रांसफर ये बात आसानी से हो जाएगी, you know, कि my kids do the chores and you know they help me, you know, make the garden and fix the lights and do all the shebang here. तो यही था कि I think starting from zero gives you a lot of respect, even more. I mean, I always had respect for the job. My parents are true artists, you know, so Allah ka shukr, they gave me this thing कि बेटा whatever you do, you gotta do it well, you gotta do it right. And यहाँ पे आके वही zero से start किया, and you gotta just network your way, you gotta meet people, you gotta, and then you have to find an agent, you have to audition, and a theater play here actually changed my life, which through which करते film school के बाद I applied for production jobs as well, so I also direct and produce here, and you know, and also you have to burn your bridges. ये भी एक scene है. I was like, you know, easily work back for Pakistan, but अगर वो कर दूंगा तो फिर I'll be यहाँ पे पूरा focus नहीं कर सकूंगा. So I was like, look, I've got to 5-6 साल पाकिस्तान में कोई काम नहीं करूंगा, और यहाँ पे जब तक if I don't make a name or something here, मैं वापस काम नहीं करूंगा. I can't put that in my head. So yeah, so I spent years here doing film school, doing all that stuff. जो सारे पैसे बचाए हुए थे. You know, yo, Visor Canada, Adil Hussain, what's up, buddy?
Adil's online. Kiran Malik just said hi, and
hi Kiran, how you doing?
And also, Annie is asking, Ali, what is the first thing you do after social isolation's over?
What is the first thing we do? Oh, honestly, I think I need a vacation, man. Like I want to travel. I want to go to a beautiful beach and just run. I want to run free.
Sorry.
You know?
Yeah, I know. And I think everybody is very excited about this. I'm the exact opposite. I really just not want to get out. I still want to wear my gloves and still want to wear my mask. So
ये भी सही बात है. I think for a long time we just need to. Visor Canada बिल्कुल ठीक. Dance भी बहुत जरूरी है. Dance तो घर में भी हो सकता है. लेकिन break dance chant. I think the biggest thing is you're absolutely right, Mush. ये बहुत जरूरी है, बहुत जरूरी है. Thank you Vampire 9091. All my love to you. But the biggest thing is, I think we need to be really careful in the coming months. मैं बहुत जल्द ये नहीं कि हम 1 महीने बाद 2 महीने बाद बिल्कुल ही footloose और fancy free भाग जाए बाहर. We need to be very careful for definitely the next year.
Yeah.
जो सारी Hollywood releases भी जो थी वो 2022 में जा चुकी हैं. You know what I mean?
Oh wow.
There's cinemas that have shut down here. There's AMC, which is this huge cinema complex here, which is shut down.
Wow.
So I think Yeah.
So Ali, you've speaking of Hollywood, you've also had the opportunity to work both abroad and in Pakistan. So tell me about your experiences. Tell me how has it been working with, you know, people abroad. You've worked with quite a few A-listers as well. So let's talk about that.
Well, it's been pretty surreal. It's been pretty, um, and honestly, like when you do it this way, when you do it through auditions and when you do it through starting from zero, it really feels like something. Because I remember, like the first big gig that I got here, I was like this. It was in 2010, and I was this big villain. I was a big villain on this show here, this Canadian show, and I remember I had my own trailer and I had my own personal assistant come and ask me, Mr. Kazi, what would you like for breakfast? And I was, I was like, ना मैं अपने ट्रेलर में बैठा, ना मैंने कोई breakfast order किया. I was like, don't get me anything.
Oh.
Man, I felt so strange. I was like, यार ये मैं क्या करूँ यहाँ पे? But the truth is, all the greats, like all the lovely people I worked with, it's all the same, man. And any good artists are the same world over. There's no difference in that part of it. I'll be honest with you. It's just the efficiency is different. I think because यहाँ पे ना जो एक स्पॉट बॉय भी है ना, जो बेचारा जो जिसका काम है कि सुबह स्टूडियो में आके he comes and just plugs the lights in और वहाँ खड़ा है 6 बजे लाइट प्लग करके, वो भी फिल्म स्कूल जा चुका है.
Yeah.
कभी
Wow.
फिल्म मेकर बनेगा एक दिन.
Wow. And structure-wise, Ali, मुझे बताएं, how is the structure abroad when it comes to getting into movies and getting into dramas different from Pakistan? Do you think Pakistan even has a structure? Because मुझे नहीं idea.
I think so. Look, I've having been in the industry for so long, honestly, like I think seeing it grow, I've grown with the industry, you know, and I think yes, there is a structure developing now. Like
Yeah.
a lot, all the younger people and even the older people now, everybody's taking it more professionally. Like when I was doing it, I remember a lot of people would be, "अच्छा बेटा, acting करते हो तो और क्या करते हो?" साथ में.
I also think that's still the case in Pakistan. People don't think that acting is a full-time job. It's something you can do maybe when you're getting a degree. लोगों को अभी भी ये लगता है somewhere.
बहुत बेहतर हो गया मुश्क. I think it's really, I think because there's a lot of money in it and people are treating it, even like social media and everything, it's become more professional. People are taking it, and a lot of young people are in it. And I think now I see a lot of aunties saying कि बेटा मेरे बेटे को भी, ये मेरी बेटी को भी, you know, काम करा दो इसमें. So I'm seeing the change happen. It is definitely there, but I think the difference is over here there's a process कि आपने, there's no way, कोई पव्वा नहीं है, कोई, there's no like, you're not going to get like a parchi. Like there's no, you know, you have to go through the process. You got to do. अगर आप film school ना भी करें, आपने फिर भी audition तो करनी है. You know, you got to audition. You got to get in front of the right people. The right people have to see you audition. And फिर it's a combination of luck, hard work, and study. Even if you're not going to film school, you have to study the different. कोई आपसे कहे, imagine कोई director कहे कि I want you to be method for this role. और आपको समझ नहीं आया कि मेथड है क्या, तो फिर आप रह गए पीछे, आपको वैसे नहीं रोल मिलेगा, because they will be like, यार इसको तो आते नहीं कुछ. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Even if you're not going to film school, you have to study yourself. There's a lot of self-study. You have to know the different methods. You got to know who to meet, where to go for the audition. अगर आपके, you have to get an agent, because ऐसा नहीं है कि आप apply कर दिया, the agent has to apply for you.
So Pakistan, I don't think there's a concept of agency yet, not in the fashion industry, not in the acting industry.
Aista develop हो रहा है, but it's very slow, right? Like अब जाके there's some PR agency, there's some talent agencies, but it's very slow.
Yeah.
And I think that union का बहुत important scene है.
Oh yes, absolutely.
Union के बाद, because over here, I mean, look, like half the struggle, as you know, I know, is आधी struggle क्या है यार? अगर आपने पैसे कमा भी लिए, तो वो पैसे प्रोड्यूसर से लेना is half the battle.
Don't even get me started on it. The fact, insane.
And these people know you. I mean, these people, I've grown up with these people. Half the people hadn't even started work when I started work. So you to ask them कि यार आपको 4 दिन हुए काम करते हुए, please मुझे पैसे दे दें. It's just terrible, यार. It's like यार क्या मतलब यार? And everybody faces it. चाहे आप नए हैं पुराने.
that is problematic, and
जी,
मुझे लगता है इस regard में अभी तो we are a long way from overcoming this.
So I think our industry actually is very advanced, and even in film,
Yeah.
we have gone from 0 to 100, which is a big
Yeah.
deal. Which is a big deal, and we're making a lot of interesting movies. बहुत चीजें हो रही हैं with like minimal budgets, you know, like I mean कोई ज़्यादा invest भी नहीं कर रहा, लेकिन चीजें हो रही हैं, slow and steady. But I think what we really need is Directors Guild, Producers Guild, Actors Union.
Yeah.
के rights
Yeah.
to protected हो.
Absolutely.
एक system बने. I think women and men will get exploited much less. I think a lot of things happen with male models and female models as well. कि they automatically think कि यार ये तो फंसेगे. You know what I mean?
Ali, but I'll tell you something. In Abhi, I think a few months ago, there was this talk in the fashion industry where people wanted everything to be in black and white. People wanted to have a certain contract. But documentation से clients भी डरते हैं and models भी डरती हैं. I'll be very honest with you. People are not ready to have a signature pen and paper in front of them before and after a shoot. And so I really don't know, क्योंकि I remember this came into discussion क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों की जगह जगह पैसे फंसे हुए थे जो मिल ही नहीं रहे थे. People stopped picking up calls at the end of the day. And somebody mentioned a contract और फिर सब सीधे हो गए. They're like, as long as there's no contract, we're good.
But see, वही सही नहीं है यार. We need contracts because
Absolutely.
look, I mean, दुनिया भर में यार, यहाँ पे आप short film भी करते हैं, उसका भी contract होता है. Because imagine, अगर वो let's say वो short film अगर hit हो गई, किसी फेस्टिवल चल गई है, उसके बाद आपने imagine sign नहीं किया, तो you'll get no rights, no nothing. वो film आगे जाके goes to win so many awards, you get no accolade or anything for it because it's like अच्छा, तुमने sign ही नहीं किया. So it's very important, man. I think to know your rights. For example, like आजकल के ज़माने में, simple thing. If I didn't add 3 years ago, and I'm in Toronto, and they re-put up the billboard again, if I haven't signed on the thing and seen the fine, ये 1 साल का contract है कि 3 साल का contract है, we got to do it, man.
We have to. And also Usman Mukhtar just signed in and he was sending his love to you. Thank you, Adnan.
Love you, man. Dude, all the comic movies are delayed, Joey.
So everybody's sending in all their love to you. Just tell me, Ali. So tell me, what is next for Pakistan? I mean, you've worked in the industry for so long in Pakistan. What do you think is the future for actors here? Do you think we have a bright future? Do you think we're going to see the same faces that we've been seeing for the past decade?
Honestly, I think Pakistan genuinely has a very bright future because after having worked in different industries around the world, I think we have so much heart and so much dedication and so much like self-study and so much like people are putting in the hard work and they realize that this is a big business. And they realize that this is, I think what we need to know is कि थोड़ा सा system लेके आएंगे.
Absolutely, yeah.
तो मजा आएगा. I think even all the youngsters and all, don't forget about just, I think the reason why people say golden years, PTV, golden years, is for a reason. I'll tell you why. Golden years अभी भी हो सकते हैं. We have a lot of great content. अभी भी बहुत मजे की movies बनती हैं, like बहुत मजे के ड्रामे बनते हैं. I think what we need to do is you need to have, in PTV there was a studio, there was proper contracts, there was rehearsal, there was a makeup room, there was like costume department. Everybody had a department like a proper studio anywhere in the world.
Yeah.
हमारे studios नहीं है proper. हमारे यहाँ सिर्फ shifts में लोग चल रहे हैं कि अच्छा ये shift में इसको ले लो, shift में studio. Proper studio होंगे तो I think everybody will be able to come and realize कि अच्छा ये यहाँ पे rehearsal भी होगी, यहाँ पे different departments हैं. That kind of thing. So I think,
but it seems like such a small component. But as you're talking about it, मुझे realize हो रहा है कि इस aspect में we've regressed. As you're saying, PTV was like the standard for all these things.
Because you know what, they didn't care about just money.
Yeah.
I know my parents. Like everybody thinks that my parents were actors and things back in the day. But even when they were stars, we were never rich or anything like that because they didn't. It wasn't about the money. None of them. Khaled Hossain, Samina Pirzada, Usman Pirzada, ye sare, all the Badr Khalil, all the greats. None of them are super rich or anything like that. They all did it because they were intellectuals, they were literary, they were smart. and they wanted to create some good content and interesting stuff for the people to watch.
Yeah.
So I think what we need to do is not just worry about money. Of course,
Yeah.
money is an important component. ज़रूरी है. Do that part. लेकिन don't just worry about the money. अगर हम सिर्फ सेठ बन के रह गए तो सिर्फ जेबें भरते रहेंगे और आर्ट कभी नहीं बनेगा और कुछ आगे नहीं
Oh
बढ़ेगा.
wow.
I think that's the biggest problem was happening, right? कि
Yeah.
सब अभी यही सोचे कि यार, like मेरा एक idea था. I'll tell you an interesting idea. You want to hear it?
Sure.
Okay. I thought कि अगर हमारे टीवी में, thank you Rabia, अगर हमारे टीवी में टाइम स्लॉट्स हो जैसे दुनिया भर में होते, imagine that, right? Imagine अगर 5 to 7 बच्चों का टाइम हो, 7 to 9 आपका प्राइम टाइम हो गया जिसमें आपने सारे सोप ड्रामे जो आपने करना है जरूर, बेशक, our audiences love that, I'm all for it. प्राइम टाइम वो कर लिया आपने, उसके बाद न्यूज हो गई या जो भी हो गया, then 9:30 to 10:30 you have action hour, you have thriller, or crime, something interesting, or by 10:30 to 11:30 or 12 you have like a horror, like sort of like that kind of thing, you know, like underground genre. We have short film भी चलाए, telefilm चलाए, कोई gruesome, कोई मजे की horror चलाए. लेकिन because it's become all about the ratings.
But मैं वही बता रही हूँ, even though this is such a sensible idea, it seems so far-fetched.
It is, because वो रेटिंग से कोई निकलेगा नहीं ना. रेटिंग से कोई नहीं निकलना चाहता. सब चाहते हैं कि जब तक रोना धोना नहीं होगा, बीवी को मारनी पड़ेगी, और you know,
Oh, Fallad.
कैसे बिकेंगी चीजें, ये मसला है. You know?
So Ali, just one last thing. Have your kids ever told you that they want to grow up and be actors? Has that conversation happened yet?
2 थप्पड़ पड़ेंगे उनके.
Oh my God. No, but Ali, it's been so lovely speaking to you. And there's so many of your friends who have logged in and they're sending in love. And this has been great. This has really been great. So Ali, I just wanted to ask you one quick question. What do you think? You know, I did theater 2 years ago. I did a play, and wahan pe, you know, these Napa graduates, they are so pessimistic about the future of acting because they do feel like acting mein it's just entirely based on nepotism. मतलब अगर आपकी पर्ची नहीं है, if you don't know an important director, you can't make it. So how do you think these people who are great at acting, who are taking their classes, who are taking courses, how can they make it big for themselves?
You know, some of these guys are so amazing. उसमें इतने जबरदस्त लड़के लड़कियां हैं. There are such brilliant actors. I think that's what I'm trying to say. I think the truth is, it unfortunately become very dependent on Instagram followers and popularity and all that kind of stuff. I think that's very unfair. Because that's why I think the big change, which I keep trying to tell the people, is auditions. Audition में दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी. You know what I mean? Nepotism तो चलता रहे. To be fair, nepotism Hollywood में भी होता है, Bollywood में.
Yeah, absolutely, I'm sure.
लेकिन the only way new talent creeps in Hollywood and Bollywood में भी देख लो, there's a lot of indie, cool art cinema coming up. There's a lot of stuff happening because the industry is big, and वो auditions भी accept कर रहे हैं. वहाँ पे सिर्फ nepotism नहीं चल रहा, audition से भी लोग निकल के आ रहे हैं, and you know, like ये भी चल रहा है.
Yeah.
So I think auditions अगर लोग करते, all the big channels do accept auditions. ठीक है, 3-4 लोग nepotism में ले ले भाई, ले ले nepotism में ले, popularity में ले ले, लेकिन अगर audition से भी अगर आप 10 लोग accept कर लेंगे, like for example, a great example is Lal Kabutar, which is why I really commend producers like Hania and Kamal and Kamal Khan, like a director like Kamal Khan. Usme you saw दूध का दूध पानी का पानी. You saw actors like Naeem Miraj and Rashid Farooqi being used properly. You saw all these amazing supporting artists.
And that is also, I think, why it got such recognition.
And you can see supporting artists in Napa के लड़के लड़कियां, which are doing a fabulous job यार. हर बंदे ने अपने 2 मिनट को own किया. You know what I mean? Like, and that's the thing. Like, और इसके बाद I think उनके career को help भी होगी. Imagine एक project से उनके career को कितनी help होगी. So इसी तरह अगर you know, हम टीवी के ड्रामों में और दूसरे चैनल्स जियो या के ड्रामों में कुछ आप देख रहे हैं, there are some people that are making it through,
Yeah.
but there should be more people let through यार, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You need to let more. बस ये है कि आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हो रहा है, लेकिन बहुत आहिस्ता हो रहा है. I think if you let more people in through audition process,
Yeah.
nepotism होगा, favoritism होगा, popularity होगी, ठीक है? We all have to accept that. That's the reality of the world. But अगर आप audition से और लोगों को आने देंगे, तो industry बेहतर होगी यार. That's all. And
Yeah.
I think that's what. Thank you, others. Yeah. I think इसी तरह. Don't you agree? I think that's how like people will, and I think जब competition से लोगों के acting caliber भी raise होगा. By the way,
Yeah.
मजा ही
Yeah,
तो
बिल्कुल.
you know, like for example over here, like I met a lot of senior actors that did not do their own stunts, and I'm an active guy. I like doing my own stunts. So over here, I remember in any production that I did my own stunts, I know the other actor that was like a very professional Canadian actor, and वो थोड़ा डरते हैं, मर्दी करना, you know, insurance ये वो. They will also be like, okay, yeah, let's do it.
Nice. So they picked up on it.
That's what it is, right? I think अगर आपके सामने एक बंदा, you know, is kind of picking up the game, and you like the fact कि ये सिर्फ popular नहीं है, लेकिन ये क्या actor है यार, आपको भी मजा आता है फिर क्या, okay, let's do this thing. So I think that's how it's going to grow, you know.
Great. So, Ali, I've taken quite a lot of your time. I'm going to wrap it up really quickly. We just one last ending message for all those people who are watching right now, all the way from Canada. Let's send them a message.
Okay. देखिए, मैं जहाँ भी हूँ दुनिया में, आप लोग सब, I think be safe, stay inside, please. Because अभी कुछ time, I know the next few months are going to be very strange for all of humanity. तब हम सारे एक साथ हैं इसके अंदर. Don't be afraid, don't panic. लेकिन अगले कुछ महीने बहुत crucial हैं for the world. I think we all need to relax, take a back seat, earth को heal करने दें, अपने आप को heal होने दें. You are not stuck at home, you are safe at home. So
Absolutely.
Enjoy yourself, and try to find new activities, and try to maybe learn something new. And honestly, मेरा ये भी कहना है, even if you learn nothing new, वो भी ठीक है. Just be well and take it easy.
Thank you so much, Ali, and hopefully I'll run into you sometime when you're coming back to Pakistan.
I hope so much. All the best, man.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. I think
yeah.